Welcome back, Carpet Farms fans. Today we are changing accelerator rolls on a Gleaner rotary combine. These are some of them that I pulled out yesterday. I started on it last night, but I didn't get it finished up. And for comparison purposes, it's kind of dark up here. I apologize. I don't have any in there yet. I gotta find you some new ones to look at. For comparison purposes, here is what a new one looks like. So as you can see, these are wore down fairly far. So the ability to thresh or to actually clean the grain was going to be pretty diminished on this thing. So I am going to crawl up inside the back end here. I decided to go in over top of the shoe rather than going from the rotor. So I get in there and get positioned. I'll show you a little more of what we're doing. All right, it's really dark in here and I don't have the best lighting, but what I do is I have my bolts laid out here, my Loctite right there. As you're laying on your back, you can reach up here and change the rolls. I just got done putting that lug on. I need to put one on here and on down there. Then either I will get out and turn it, or hopefully my helper shows up and we'll get it turned and continue and change that one. And we got 3 rows to go yet, I believe, on here. So it's not that bad of a job. Definitely recommend a battery powered impact wrench, but don't strip the bolts when you tighten them back up. So I go back through and check them with a ratchet. All right, that's all for now.